Hello everyone, I am Miss Kishori of the Department of Computer Science from HGM College, Karad. Today we are going to discuss point name is structure of C program. As you know, every C program consists of functions and one of which is main function, and execution of program starts from main function. Let us see actual structure of C program. The whole diagram represents different sections. Let us see first point, documentation section. Documentation section consists of comment lines that are enclosed within backslash, star and backslash, star, backslash. This symbol is used to represent comment lines which are used to convey program related information and other information like program name. Okay. Next point is link section. Link section gives instruction to the compiler to link various library files and other user files. Which files are stdio.h means standard input output file, conio.h means console input output file, and math.h which is used to perform mathematical operation. Okay, these are inbuilt library files which are including link section. Next one is definition section. Definition section consists of all symbolic constant. Next one is global declaration section. In various times we need to access or use functions or variables in all functions. At that time, these variables are declared global declaration section. Okay, these variables we access all over the program. Next is function section. Function section consists of main function. As you know, every program consists of one main function and execution starts from main function. Empty bracket indicate that the function does not accept any information. Okay, main function or function body consists of curly brackets, open curly bracket and close curly bracket. In that it consists of declaration part. Okay, here we declare local variables. Okay, and next is input output statement. Here we also define various input output statement. Every statement ends with a semicolon. In C program, every statement ends with a semicolon. Okay, this is second section, function section. Third one is subprogram section. Subprogram section consists of all user defined function. Here we define n number of functions, function 1, function 2 up to n. Here we define user defined function. According to this structure, take a simple example. I will show you this example. Here I want to print welcome to C. Okay, program name is C program. To print welcome in C. Okay, here we print welcome to C on our screen. According to structure of C program, first point consists of documentation section. Documentation section consists of comment lines. These are backslash star and ends with star backslash. Next is hash include. Here we include header files which is stdio.h means standard input output file. Next is main function, curly bracket open. Here I use printf function to display information using any output device. Statement is welcome in C, semicolon, curly bracket, close. Okay. According to structure, first line consists of documentation section which is enclosed in comment line. Okay. We can put comment all over any. We can put comment any time in the program. Okay. Next is link section. line number second consists of link section. Here we include stdio.h library files for input output functions. Okay. Next function section consists of main. Here I use main function. Actual execution starts from main function. Curly bracket open. Printf line 4 consists of printf statement, which is output statement, which prints some data on our output screen. Here printf in bracket double quotation welcome in C. Here I want to print statement name is welcome in C. Double quotation complete, bracket complete and semicolon. Every statement ends with semicolon. Okay. Next curly bracket close. Output is welcome in C. Okay. Output is welcome in C. Let us see next point, which is new line character. Next point is new line character. New line character can be declared using \n. This new line character is used to print statement on new line. Suppose first statement is hello. Another statement is hi. And output is hello and hi. But I want to print hello word or hi on separate new line. Then I use \n to print every statement on new line. Okay, thank you.